Welcome to another MSSC Quick Tech. In this video, we'll walk through importing and placing images first, and then importing templates on your touchscreen SmartJet controller. Remember, images can be positioned wherever you need them, while templates bring in a full layout ready to use. Let's start with importing images to your touchscreen SmartJet controller. There are two convenient ways to get your images onto the system. Method 1: USB flash drive. First, you'll need a USB flash drive and an image file in one of the following supported formats: JPEG, PNG, and bitmap or BMP files. Copy your image file to your USB drive. You can place it in the main folder or inside a folder if you prefer. The controller can now navigate into folders to find your images. Once your image is saved to the USB drive, safely remove it from your computer and insert it into the USB port on your touchscreen SmartJet controller. Now let's create a template and use the image we copied to our USB flash drive. With the USB drive inserted into the second port on the controller, I'll create a new template. Set the size, and choose the desired printhead. To add an image, I click the pencil and ruler icon in the designer ribbon. From the Objects pop-up window, I select Image, then place the image object into the template by clicking anywhere inside the layout. We'll use a static image type, and since our image is on the USB, we set the source to storage. Both selections will be highlighted in green. Next, I click the three dots to select the image file. The controller identifies our USB flash drive as the D drive. Clicking the folder icon next to it reveals the MSSC logo bitmap we saved earlier. I select the image by clicking the checkmark, which brings us back to the image settings. The file name now appears in the Select Image dialog box, and I click OK. The image is now placed in the template, or it can be moved and resized to fit your desired position and scale. Since this tutorial also covers template importing, I'll add two text objects, position and scale them, and then apply a trim to the template as good practice. Notice the sizing on the ruler and trim the template width accordingly. To export the template, I click the three dots in the ribbon and choose Export Template from the More pop-up. In the Export window, I select the template by clicking the blue box checkmark next to its name, then click Next. The source is highlighted in green as storage, and I use the three dots to define the save location. Again, I select the D drive, then click the green checkmark. The folder path now appears in the Select Folder dialog box. I click OK, and the template is exported to the USB. To import it, I repeat the steps, click the three dots in the ribbon, then choose Import Template from the More pop-up. In the Import window, highlight Storage in green, then click the three dots next to the Select File dialog. In the File Manager, I navigate to the D drive, open the folder, and select the .iot template file using the green checkmark box. Then I click Next. Since a template with the same name already exists on the controller, I'm prompted to override. I click OK, and the existing template is replaced with the one from the USB. Now that we've covered how to use a USB flash drive to import images, let's look at the second method, using a network connection. If your controller is connected to your local network, there's an even more convenient option. You can add image files and templates directly through the remote connection using your preferred web browser on any computer, laptop, or smartphone connected to the same network. In another one of our YouTube videos, we illustrate remotely connecting a PC to a SmartJet Duo controller. This video covers similar principles that also apply when networking with our touchscreen controllers. If you need help setting up the remote connection, please refer to that video, linked in the description, SmartJet Duo Remote Connection Guide. If you already have remote access to your touchscreen controller, let's take a look at how easily images and templates can be added. I've now opened a browser window on my PC and entered the network address of my touchscreen controller. Once I establish connection to the controller, we land on the home screen. From here, I return to the designer by clicking the design icon in the ribbon. Since I already have a template open, I'll just add our logo image from the PC to the controller. To do this, click the pencil and ruler icon, then add an image object from the Objects pop-out. Click anywhere inside the template to activate the Image pop-out menu. Set the image type to static and the source to upload. Once you choose Upload, the Select Image dialog changes from 3 dots to a Browse button. I click Browse, navigate to the image file on my PC, and select it. Confirm the file name and hit OK to accept. Then I place and resize it as needed. Now let's import the IoT template I have on my PC. Click the 3 dots in the ribbon and select Import Template from the More pop-up. Next, set the source to upload, then click the Browse button, locate your IoT template file, and select it. Click Open, confirm the file name, then click Next. Since this template already exists on the controller, we'll go ahead and choose Override, then click OK. Now I can load the template by clicking the folder icon in the ribbon and locating it under the controller's saved templates. That's it. Now you know how to import images and templates using both USB and remote network connections. We hope this tutorial was helpful, and from all of us here, happy printing! From MSSC.